You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a given name of various origin. It can be attributed to Spanish, also Italian, and others. In English, the most common pronunciation is as Alora. Do you pronounce it any other ways? In Spanish, Alora. In Italian, Alora as well. In English, Alora. How do you pronounce it? Do you know any Alora? Aloras? Are you an Alora yourself? How do you say it? Let us know where you're from as well, so everybody knows. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.